Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new on my channel, you are welcome. My name is Adedoyin, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. So guys, welcome to another gele tutorial. So for this gele style, we are going to be using our ashoke and pin. So we are tying a very simple gele today, something very simple and basic. So you twist your ashoke. Once you are done twisting it, you place it on your head from the back. The measurement for this gele is like 80-20. You can see. So you secure it at the middle. You tie it. So once you are done with that, you are going to form a rose with this part. So just hold it this way and you do as if you want to pleat your gele. You take it in, wrap it around, try to form pleats. Then you secure it. I'll still come back and arrange it properly. Then for this shorter hand, just look at what I'm doing. Can you see? Then you secure it too. So once you are done securing that one, you come back and arrange your rose properly. You arrange it properly. Push it back a little bit if you like. So guys, this is it. Very simple, right? So this style is not going to stress you. If you're a beginner, stop going for something difficult. Okay, stop going for something difficult. Go for simple styles. It is not every time you go for difficult styles or all these exaggerated styles. Okay, you can do something simple and you are still going to appear beautiful. So if you know you are a beginner, don't start with exaggerated or difficult styles. Go for something simple, something you'll be able to achieve on your own, except you have a stylist around you that can do it for you. Instead of going for a difficult style that you will end up looking like something I don't know. I will advise you to go for simple styles. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.